I've been a wedding studio manager for a long time, and during that time, I've helped a lot of couples execute their big day flawlessly. So I've heard all the questions.
Do I really need a wedding
Will my
planner?
videographer be with me?
How much is this going to cost?
Do I need steak? What happens if my
I've been
videographer
in
wants
this
to know
footage.
exactly how much? I've been in this business a long time. You could say I was born in it. I grew up in it. I was raised by it. And because of that, I've got a whole library of wedding info right here that's useless unless you're getting married. I know how to make you look more relaxed on camera, how to tie your tie, your bow tie, and yes, even though you said you were going to stay in your heels all day, I will be telling your maid of honor to bring the flats anyway. I'm talking to you, Ashley. That's why I wanted to create this series. I've seen everything go totally right, and I've seen everything go terribly wrong.
You just tried to poison our cousin Terry!
That is unacceptable.
So sit back, grab your wedding planning book, and your relaxation beverage of choice. My name's Cindi, and welcome to Weddings Demystified.